Hello guys, welcome to AI Sciences, and today we are going to learn how can we extract data from our YouTube channel, right? For example, if we want to automatically extract number of subscribers, number of total videos, number of total views, and something like that on just one click, how can we do that? So you only need your login password for that. So you have to log in into your YouTube channel, right? And you have to you need this path, right, that I have highlighted over here. So let me copy this from here. You need only this path and paste it over here and store it in a variable called path, right? One thing. Second thing, you need API key. So here is the path where you have to go, right? And if you will go over this path, then you will reach over here, and you have to log in by using your YouTube your YouTube email, and then you will go to credentials, and then you will go to show key, right? So if you will click on show key, you will see your API key, since it is sort of a personal thing. So I have already stored it in a variable called key, and we are using two libraries called url_lib.request and JSON, right? So yeah, we're good to go. We have API key, we have path, and here is the URL that you have to, here is the API address that you have to hit, right? So you will say data equals to url_lib.request.url open, and in this function you have to pass the API path, you can say. And here in API path you have to pass the path as ID, right, that we have stored it over here, and you have to pass the key as key that we have stored it over here, and then .read will get you the information. So let me run it, but before, let's run this cell, and then let's run this cell. So here we go. We have received the information, and it says that we have total video count 296, total views these many, and total number of subscribers are only 18,900. So we have almost 300 videos uploaded on our AI Sciences YouTube channel, but number of subscribers are really low. So it's a humble request to subscribe our channel. Okay, so but this information looks quite messy, so let's filter out this information and present it in a good way. So let's say number of subscribers equals to JSON dot loads, and here we'll say data, and then we'll say we need to parse the items, and then in items we'll go at 0th index, and then we'll go to statistics, and then we'll fetch the subscriber count, right, this one, right? And let's see if we have it. Great. Then what we want to do is we want to paste it for 3 times, because we need total video count as well, right? Yeah, total videos, and then we also need yeah, let's first work on it. So total video will come from video count. Let's copy this, let's paste it over here, and then the next thing is we need total views, right? So, and total views will come from view count, right? Let me copy and paste it over here. Great, looks fine. And then let's write a simple print statement that will say total subscribers colon, and here we'll say subs, right? And then we'll say total, actually before total we'll add a new line, and then we'll say total views colon, here we'll say total views, right? And last but not the least, it will be what? Total videos, right? And here we'll say total videos. Great, let's run it. Awesome. So we have received total number of subscribers, total number of views, and total number of videos over here. So that's how you can all you have to do is you have to run this cell, actually these two cells, and you'll be able to extract the information from your YouTube channel. And now if you will check out our second last video that we have uploaded on this YouTube channel, we have shown that how can you create the graphical user interface, right, using tkinter. You can paste this information in a graphical user interface window as well, so that it will look really nice. And also you can input the path and key by using GUI that I have taught in second last video, that is available on the channel. So you can make it even cool, right? So that's how you extract the information from your YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and do follow our website as well. Thank you.